little friends! Welcome to Twinkle Tots TV. Today we are going on a fun adventure with our cute little ducks. The morning sun is shining bright. The little ducks wake up with happy smiles. They are ready with happy hearts. Today will be a wonderful day! Waddle, waddle, little ducks, move your feet and shake your wings with joy. Watch the first little duck jump right into the cool water. Hello, new friend. I'm the fourth little duck. Quack, 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 quack. I'm having so much fun. Tra-la-la-la. Quack, quack, I'm number one. One, two, three, 4, 5. Watch the first little duck jump right into the cool water. Little ducks, remember to stay together, and help your friends.
We promise to always be kind
and caring to everyone. I bet I can jump higher this time. Oh, no, you can't. Watch me fly.
Tiny little adjustment here, here. Now, let us see if you will finally fly.
Look at the stars, my little ones. They are shining just for you. The little ducks close their eyes, dreaming of tomorrow's big adventure.
Thank you for singing and learning with us. Join Twinkle Tots TV for more fun songs. Bye-bye!